Hey guys, unfortunately, Dirtynissan has come to an end. It got totaled. My girlfriend totaled my car. However, I got something better. I have a 1994 Toyota 4Runner. It's going to be my rock crawler out here in Florida. Going to climb mountains and stuff. It's going to be great.
Oh yeah, them Florida mountains.
So, it's got the 3-liter V6 for maximum horsepower and effort. People want V8s. It's not worth the gas.
Yeah, what's this got, like 650 horses?
About 650.
Well, it's Japanese, so they don't measure in horsepower. They measure in
650 kilowatts.
That's like,
which is
like
a lot more horsepower.
like
yes.
36 mules in a rice paddy. That's racist.
It's got these 15-inch stock Toyota rims with these beefy Good Spirit. I recommend these.
Good Spirit
tires.
What is a Good Spirit? Oh, the mark of quality. Let's see if that'll focus. Oh.
There it goes.
Nope, not
Might
focusing.
have to back up.
There it is. The mark of quality, boys and girls.
But I got these big fat tires.
What are these,
to
like
get out sticky mud situations?
235s? Boy, I got more meat on my Mustang than you got on your rock crawler.
Get out sugar sand.
That's all you need to do around
That
here.
has this white stripe.
Like Starsky and Hutch.
Yeah.
I think
That's
our
about 25 kilowatts.
Yeah,
It is JDM.
that's true.
This is JDM.
Okay.
We got this sick side exhaust.
Does it pass the fist test?
You know, when my baby's born, I'll see then.
Oh God.
And it's just pretty clean. It's got a nice paint to it.
It's pretty clean. I'll give you that. The paint's way better on this than on both of my Mustangs. Like, look at that. You can see the Mustang in it. That's clean, dude.
Has a nice ride height. It's a little bit taller than your average.
Yeah, I mean, compare, let's see, to, you're not living that low life anymore.
We're putting an exhaust, or not, well yeah, I want to put an exhaust system, but the first thing we're going to do is a nice audio system to it. I'm going to get 2 12-inch subs, really make the bass drop.
Oh yeah, throw them in the back.
And then, next update, I want to get a new front steel bumper. Alright, so I guess it's on to you now.
Alright, here you go. Pass it off. Break. So, I actually got a new hat. The Formula D hat got pretty grody. So we're rocking the Hoonigan Racing. The little, this is actually kind of annoying. I didn't know about that. So you put it on and you like see it all day. So it really like screws with you. The 4-banger is still here. I'm gonna sell it. I put it out on the corner like a good old whore. I put it out on the corner for like 1 day and didn't sell it, but I don't know. I'll probably deal with people on Craigslist and sell it that way, which I hate doing, but whatever. The old hoopty, it looks worse than that one, but I love it more. We did put the rims, I polished up the rims. I don't know if we showed them when they were polished up. They're a little dirty now, but they cleaned up pretty good. It is, they're dirty now. It is lowered. I put, it already had the Hotchkiss lower control arms. I put BMR uppers that are adjustable. I put BMR lowering springs because BMR will actually sell them individually. So I got the BMR springs for like $60 and they're pretty good. They're not stiff. Well, they're not like race, they're not like track car stiff. This looks like I really love my Mustang. They're not like track car stiff, but they handle really well. One little issue though is I got too much meat on them bones and it's starting to rub. It's actually cut into the tire a couple of times. You can see right here is really bad. Clean the sand off and you can see it's cut off some parts of the tire. So, a normal person would just get smaller tires, but here at the Ghetto Rod Garage, or what is this?
DirtRoad Garage.
Dirt Roads and Rods and Customs. We don't play that game, so I'm gonna roll the fenders. which I know some people are gonna get butthurt about because this is like it's numbers matching, blah blah blah. Some people care about that. I mean I care. It's nice that it's a numbers matching car, but I gotta fit that meat in that hole.
He's got some fat tires on that boy.
I'm gonna waller out the hole so I can fit the meat in there. Got the good old Ford leaf collector still doing its job. What else have I done? Well, I did the front suspension. Can't really see that, but maybe, I don't know, maybe here, let me see if I can show the good people. It's a little lower. Well, it's a lot lower than factory, but the worn out springs had kind of sagged to where it was maybe like half an inch higher than that to pass the shoe test. I'd say that's
barely fits.
I can drop it on its nuts if I want to, because it's on coilovers now. Let me see if I can actually show them. Get down here in the dirt. Yeah, you can see the control arms. Everything's dirty right now because it's been like muddy and nasty out, but QA1 Eco Comp control arms, just some new sway bar links. There you go. You can see the coilovers. It's a strange coilover kit on there you go. Get the dirt off my knees so I don't look like my ex-girlfriend. It's strange struts and a strange coilover kit from Strange Engineering. I'm not just saying that they're weird. They are. They're weird because they suck. Not the fact that they're coilovers, but the struts are hydraulic, and I didn't know that because I'm stupid. And so I've got some Tokico blue, the light blue, the blue one per se, I guess. I've got those in the house right now, but I'm lazy and I'm gonna wait a couple days before I do that. Maybe I'll do it tonight, probably not. I have stuff to do, but those are gonna be on there and they'll make less noise. These are going on eBay. I'm keeping the coilover kit, but the strut itself is going on eBay because, well, maybe somebody wants them. $100, hit me up, slide into my DMs. Other than that, oh, I did put an electric fan on. I can show them that. Something you can actually see.
Do.
I want to get hood struts for it too, so that I can just sort of, like, whoosh, and it'll do all the work for me. Yeah.
Look at that engine bay.
No, it's so dirty now. I hate myself. But there's the SVE. Yeah, those are SVE caster camber plates from late model resto. Here's my fan. It's the big 16 single from American Muscle, and it's got a derail controller, which I mounted in a horrible place, but it works. And if I have to fill my washer fluid, I'll just pull the relay and pull the plug out, because we're kind of white trash. So
we're white trash and we're in trouble.
That's right, white trash and in trouble. Yeah. Oh, I did put a new power steering pump on it, and it leaks and it whines worse than the one that was already on there. So I have another one that has just been sitting in my room for like 3 months now. I'm gonna put that on. I did get the eBay special coolant reservoir. It's kind of tight, but hose clamped onto a bracket. I mean, it's not the dirtiest install, but it's it's clean enough for me. So yeah. Ooh, that's pretty much it. Anything else you want to say?
DirtRoad Garage is back. You say we could probably upload a video every 2 weeks? Maybe. We've been busy. We'll shoot for every 2 weeks. We're demonetizing our channel.
Yeah.
No more ads.
So if you see ads on our channel, YouTube is just taking money. So
we're thinking of making lanyards. Hit us up in the comments if you would like some lanyards.
Yeah. Just let us know. Maybe
and then we'll decide if we get them or not.
Yeah, why not? They'll be sweet. Probably. Orange. Alright.
DirtRoad Garage out.